no matter what you do with your sleep comfort bed, you know, that centerpiece just tends to just walk away from you when you try to get cozy with your mate. So I took two 14-inch pieces of angle iron. Actually, they're my old bed frame, and I just cut them 14 inches long and did 3 holes on either side. And it is going up here like so. And that's going to hold this end. I'll put one on the other end. If you can see that. Let me take this out of the way. There. So if you can see that. Now I'm going to put some holes in there, and I'm going to use these number 12 1-inch hex head screws, self-tapping, and that'll make it solid. It's not going anywhere. And I'm just going to put a little bit of a gap between so it doesn't bind when it goes up or down or scratch in between here. So I just have to have maybe a finger gap. Okay, that will solve the problem. And the other thing is I took the feet off because after a while, these older ones, the brakes on the feet don't work. So I took them off. How did I get under the bed with this thing like it is? Well, I used a floor jack, and I jacked up each end enough to be able to just crawl under it. Brilliant. Hey, Eric, the Human Swiss Army Knife here, and I have something I want to show you. This is in this same video, but I've made a couple of these plates that are braces for the sleep number bed. Now, I don't know if these work for the newer ones, but I'm sure they still have the same problem of separating when you have two twins together. But I made this have a 2014 sleep number bed, and this will work on just about any of them. So I've got 2 pieces of metal with 3 holes on each side, and basically you brace the front and the back. That bed ain't going nowhere, and it's really nice. So I leave you a link in there. To make it easy for you, I'm going to include a number 8 bit that you can put on the end of a drill, and then with 6 self-tapping screws. I'm going to give you 7 of them just in case you lose one, but you'll get those, and see if you like it. It's just an experiment. Peace out. And if you like what you see, hit me up and subscribe. So I put the first one in, and I'm telling you, put it on either side of the post that is there, the foot, so it doesn't hit the foot itself. I don't think it will because I have these short 1-inch, but it is a very thick piece of metal. Straighten this piece of this bed out. There we go. It's pressed up against it. There we go. I didn't want to strip it because if you strip it, you may break the head right off in it, and then you got to start over. Looks like it's going really well. I'm really excited about this. Slipping through the middle of the bed is no fun with a sleep number bed. Now the one that's going to be the hardest The one up front. Be careful. Almost stripping material. And it really helps to use magnetic head drivers. You're not always picking them up. I don't know if this one's going to go in well. It's very close to the center of the post. Oh, went in well. Solid. Oh, I'm so stoked. Just this alone will keep the bed from coming apart, but I'm going to go do the inside and I'm done. Okay, so I ordered 8 of these little beauties that they sell on Amazon, which you can't get at any Home Depot or Lowe's because these are like old school. Rubber, so the feet sit in between them and they don't move. So as you can see, I put them on all 4, and then I'll put them in the front also. And now I've got the piece across. It just doesn't go anywhere. It's perfect. And then I've also got this little beauty that I bought, which is the little, I'm going to call it a T-strip that goes in there underneath. And I'm set. I can't wait to go to bed. Sleep Number, yay! So this is what you get. The 2 bars, 14.5 inches long, and the self-tapping magnetic holding bit and 7 screws.